Good morning everyone, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So we're about to hop into Target to check out the best deals starting today through the 5th. So I have a video in the description box, well, two videos. So I have a video all about the rebate apps, and I also have one specifically for Fetch Rewards, and I also have a video on how you can use your Target cartwheel. So refer to those three videos when you hear me talking about cartwheel or any rebate app like Ibotta or Fetch, and then I have a video just dedicated to Fetch Rewards. So I just wanted to add that in there. You'll find it in the first few lines of my description box. And if you're new to my channel, I hope that you go and click that red subscribe button if you like saving money. So, and yes, we are at Club Target, and I know you guys, there's been mixed comments on it being distracting and everything like that, but you know what, you guys, I post this video for Target every single week knowing I'm gonna get demonetized. So I hope that shows you guys like how much I love Target and how much I love you guys, because even though I'm not getting paid for the video in terms of advertisement, I'm still going in and sharing the deals with you guys. So let's hop into the Target deals. This is the overview of the 14 days of beauty. So you have the 29th, which is today, it's 40% off of the Sally Hansen, and then the 30th we have Bliss Cosmetics for 40%. We also have this hair care brand for 40%, 50% off the Physicians Formula butter bronzers. Then the 3rd we have the Real Techniques makeup sponge. This is a really great deal. 40% of Revlon on the 4th. We have 40% off of number 7. We also have 40% of Pkwy, Bedhead, Yes To products, Covergirl, Pacifica, the Hello brand of toothpaste, and the OGX. So the OGX brands are hair care is anywhere between $6.99 and $9.99. So this is going to be a 40% off sale. So I think it's a great one. Okay, so this is going to be a hot deal. So definitely don't skip on this guy. So the Real Techniques makeup sponge, these are priced for $5.99. And on the 3rd of October, these are going to be 50% off. So let's just round it off to $6. So it's going to make it $3. So I think it's a really good deal. It should also include the multi-pack as well. So definitely don't skip on that guy. Alrighty, so today's sale is on the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel nail polish. So they are priced for $7.29, and you're going to get a 40% off sale instantly. So this isn't a cartwheel, this is just what's on sale. Okay, so on October 6th, the Pkwy Glow Tonic as well as the Rose Tonic, these are on a 40% off sale. So they're at $15. Then you can get them for 40% off, and this is in store and online, guys. We have a 40% off sale on the Covergirl Lashblast. So this is priced for $6.99, so you get 40% off of this guy. Right, so 40% off of the Bliss cosmetic line. So the lowest thing I'm seeing is the Makeup Melt Dry Wet Cleanser. I've actually tried it. I haven't had any reaction. So if there's one thing I would recommend from the Bliss line is this guy. It does a really good job at taking eye makeup off. So we have a nice deal on the number 7. So this is the Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Serum. So this is priced for $33.99. So you're actually going to take $13.59 off of this number 7 serum. So you're down to $20.40. And then in our Retail Me Not this week, we're getting a 2 off 1 coupon. So that's going to make it $18.40. So that's well, just about 50% off. All right, so we have a killer $3.50 off 1 printable coupon for Eucerin. So Eucerin, the 14 ounce is priced for $9.19. So if you use the link below, you can actually request a coupon. And the way you get the $3.50 coupon is you need to share the coupon with someone else. You submit someone else's email, and that's how you're going to get that coupon. And it's 4 like coupons. So with that coupon, we're at, we're at $9.19 minus $3.50, so you're down to $5.69. And I spotted a clearance item here at my Target. So the Original Healing Lotion, this is priced for $6.98 at my store. So $6.98 minus $3.50, $3.48 for the Eucerin. So this is a really nice clearance find. So it's definitely a scavenger hunt when it comes to Target clearance because it's different at like every single Target. All right, you guys, so I'm looking in my Target cartwheel and there is a 40% off for the Revlon Oval 1 Step hair dryer. So it's priced for $47.99. That might be with the cartwheel discount. So let's see. I'll have it linked below if you guys want to give it a check out. Oh, it's 20% online. So what you could do is you could price match this at $47.99 and then use your 40% off cartwheel. So that could make for a really good deal on this. So I'm actually going to link it below if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. So let's see. Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay, go ahead and ship this to me. Let's see how much it is. Okay, let's see what's in my cart. I'm just doing this on the fly with you guys to see like what happens. Let's see. No, I want one. Okay. Oh, and you get a free Target beauty box with a $50 purchase. So you enter gift for you. So it looks like the 40% cartwheel doesn't take, let's see, maybe if I pick up, not sold in my store, okay. Okay, so it looks like in order to get the 40% off deal, you have to get it in store. So, but if you wanted to order it online, you could get a free Target beauty box. So I think this is a nice deal. So I'm actually going to have this linked below for you guys if you want to take a look. Guys, so we got a really nice $2 off coupon in our Retail Me Not inserts on the Diamond Tap and Robitussin. So the Diamond Tap is priced for $8.89 here at Target. So with that $2 coupon, it makes it $3.89. And then also I'm seeing the children's Robitussin is at $5.83, and then you can get it for $3.83 with that coupon. All right, you guys, so in our Retail Me Not for Sunday, there is a 4 off 1 coupon on the Centrum. So this 140 count Centrum is $9.99. So use that 4 off coupon. It makes it $5.99. Same with the Centrum Women's Vitamin. Okay, you guys, so we have a really nice scenario on some Tide here at Target. So the Tide Pods are priced for $11.99. And when you buy 3 of them, you're going to get a $10 Target gift card. So let's do the math together. So $11.99 times 3, we're at $35.97. In our P&G, we got 2 off 1 coupon, so you can use 2 of those to take $4 off, and then inside of your Target cartwheel, there is a $2 manufacturer coupon you can send. So that's how you're able to use 3 of those Tide coupons. So that's gonna take another $2 off, so you'll pay $29.97, get a $10 Target gift card, so it makes it $19.97 or $6.65 each, and we started at $11.99. So if it's your week to stock up on Tide, definitely do it. But I just want to like focus on the fact that you don't need to do this deal every single week at Target because they run this deal at least once a month. So if it's your week to get, you know, your Tide, get it. Also the Charmin and Bounty, they're priced really well too. The 20. So we also got $1 off 1 coupons for the Charmin and Bounty, so those are included as well. So we have a really good deal on the Gatorades this week. So they are on sale for 88 cents. You save 11 cents when you buy 1. So this is a really good deal. So if it's your week to stock up on some sports drinks, then 88 cents is a really good one. All right, you guys, so the Hostess Cupcakes, specifically the golden vanilla variety, so my store doesn't have it, but I just want to show you the box reference. They're priced for $2.99, and we have a 40% off cartwheel, which takes $1.19 off. So now you're looking to pay $1.80. So apparently it's America's #1 cupcake. I would have to disagree. Comment below what your favorite company is for cupcakes. Mine is Sprinkles Cupcakes, 100%. But you know, if you have like snack for your kids, maybe you do soccer or I don't know what else is in season, hockey, whatever it is, if you just want to grab like a sweet treat every once in a while, this is pretty good. All right, you guys, so the Annie's boxed fruit snacks as well as the boxed crackers, we have a 20% off cartwheel, and we also had printable 50-cent off 1 coupon. So if you were able to print those coupons, you would buy, let's see, 2 at $6.98. So you'll take $1.39 off. Remember that. Say that out loud. $1.39. So now you're down to $5.59, and then you can take 50 cents off if you have that printable coupon. So it makes them $5.09 or $2.54. So if you are a fan of the Annie's brand fruit snacks or crackers, then this could be a good time to get them if you have that coupon. Okay, so we have a really small grocery section, but I wanted to highlight the 30% off of the Foster Farms Franks. So I'm not sure what they're priced at because I don't see a visual in front of me, but they are 30% off using Cartwheel. So to add this offer, you just add this plus sign, and then when you're at checkout, you go to your wallet, and then you scan this barcode right here. All right, you guys, so really great deal on these Starbucks bagged coffees. So they are priced for $5.99 when you buy 3. So what you want to do is buy 3 of them for $17.97. We have printable dollar off 1 coupons on coupons.com. So you'll end up paying $14.97 or $4.99 each, which is great because the starting cost is $7.99. So another deal is on the Dunkin Donuts. So the Dunkin Donuts coffee is $6.79. We got $1 off 1 coupon in last week's insert, so it's making it $5.79. And then my Ibotta has a 25-cent rebate, so that'll make it $5.54. So it's cheaper other places, but if you don't have a drugstore near you like CVS, then you know, $5.54, not bad, but it definitely, but Starbucks wins this week. All right, so we have a nice deal on the Bare Naked granola, specifically the pumpkin spice. So it is priced for $3.99. My store doesn't have it, but there is a 35% off cartwheel. So $3.99, and then you take $1.40 off. Now you're down to $2.59, which is really good because granola tends to be really expensive. So if you like some granola, definitely check this out. All right, you guys, so we have a really nice deal on Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. So here at Target, they are priced for $2.99, and we have some Ibotta rebates. So we have a 70% cash back on the chocolate variety, the honey nut variety, the cinnamon, and the regular. Now this is going to vary with your Ibotta offers. Your offers may be higher or lower than mine, so you can use this actually up to 5 times as well. So we have a printable coupon on coupons.com to take $2 off 4. So what you want to do is buy 2 of them, or you want to buy 4 of them for $11.96, and then use that $2 coupon, and then you can submit to Ibotta. Let's see, 70 times 4 is 280, so then you get 280 back in rebates. So now you're down to $1.79 a box. So it's cheaper at the drugstore, Walgreens, but if you don't have a Walgreens, $1.79 a box for Frosted Flakes is still a good deal. Okay, so if you'd like to get a head start on Christmas shopping, Hasbro board games, select Hasbro board games are on a 20% off sale. So I am seeing Trouble for $6.79. I'm seeing Sorry for $7.03. I'm seeing Connect 4 for $7.03. Now the prices are going to be lower as the season progresses. You guys, so we have a nice little deal on the shareable sacks of Hershey's. So tons are included here. So they are priced for 3 for $10 or $3.33 each. And we got $1 off 2 coupon in the $9.29 Smart Sorter. Now you don't have to buy 3 of them to get that 3 for $10 price. You can buy 2 of them for $6.66. Use that $1 coupon. Makes it $5.66 or $2.83 each. So we started at $3.69. So this is going to be the month of candy deals, you guys. So there's going to be tons of them. All right, you guys. So the seasonal Halloween M&Ms, these guys are 2 for $6 or $3 each. And we got a 2 off 3 coupon in our Retail Me Not last week. So what you want to do is buy 3 of them for $9. Use that $2 coupon and you're at 3 for $7 or $2.33 each. Okay, so we have a few different baby toiletry deals. So the Aquaphor Advanced Therapy is priced for $6.79. We have a $2 printable coupon on coupons.com, so it makes it $4.79. And then that $3.50 coupon I was talking about earlier, you can use it on baby care. So you're at $7.69 for the eczema relief. You minus that $3.50 printable coupon, $4.19, so I think it's a killer deal. So start at $7.69. You guys, print those coupons. This is a great deal. Also got some Johnson & Johnson coupons last week, so this would be a good time to pair up those coupons because we currently have a baby deal going. So when you spend $100 or more in diapers, wipes, formula, training pants, toiletries, bottles, you're gonna get a $20 Target gift card. So this is a great time to use those really great coupons for like baby toiletries, specifically the $3.50 off one and those $2 off ones for Aquaphor. And then we also got Eucerin insert coupons as well. So there were some great coupons, but I always highlight the baby diapers. I always recommend that you guys get the giant pack of Up and Up diapers whenever this deal rolls around because it's such a better value than going with the name brand like Huggies and Pampers. I know we got insert coupons, but it's still cheaper to go Up and Up. So you would buy, if you just wanted to do a diaper scenario, which you can do online by the way, you can get your total to $100 and then you get a gift card in your checkout cart. So you would buy 5 of them for $109.95, then you get that $20 Target gift card back, making them just $17.99 a box. We started at $21.99. But if you are a Huggies or Pampers family, we do have insert coupons for the Huggies. There is Fetch Reward offers for the Huggies. Here, let me just go into the apps and share with you guys what we actually have going on. So we have 1,000 points back for the Huggies Nourish and Care wipes. We also have 3,000 points with the Huggies box diapers as well as the pull-ups. And then also on Ibotta, let's see. So inside Ibotta, we have a $5 cash back for the Huggies. There's a $1 cash back on the Cetaphil Baby. We have a $4 cash back on the Huggies, a $3 and a $2. So there are a lot of rebates for Huggies here inside of Target Cartwheel. And then also a part of the spend 20 get also part of the spend 100 get 20. It includes formula. So the Up and Up brand formula is priced for $15.99 and we have $3 back Ibotta offers. Actually, I think it's on the bigger one. Okay, yeah, it is on the bigger tub. So the bigger tub is priced for $19.99 and there is $3 cash backs for the formula. So it's a great deal. So it's $16.99 after the rebate. Then if you buy enough to get the $20, and then you can mix and match this. You can come in here, get some diapers, get some wipes, get some baby toiletry, get some formula. This is a great time to stock up on baby care, you guys. So thank you so much for joining me in today's Target in-store shopping video. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video because it really does help support my channel. When you hit that share button, you could share it on Pinterest, you can share it on Facebook, you can share it through email. But let me just tell you guys, thank you so much for the support you've been giving my channel. Our channel is growing and I am so excited for the future of what's going on here. So I will talk to you guys all later. I hope you have a fantastic Sunday. Take a look at some of my other couponing videos I did. I'll have it in the end card. I have my CVS haul, I have my Walgreens in store, my CVS in store, and a couponing Q&A with my mom. So I hope you guys have a great day. I've said that already and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.